Hello children, let's start with a very interesting chapter, play. Play is a spontaneous and natural activity which is very often taken place without any aim. Through the play, child can think, try out new ideas, he can learn, he uses his imaginations, practices of grown-up behaviors are there. Play needs active involvement of the child. Play brings out inventions from them. Play makes them happy and satisfied. Play is a highly creative process using body and mind. It is flexible and very often extremely free from imposed of any goals. Hence, play influences the physical development. When the child jumps, skips, hops, run, blood circulation increases, circulation improves, which helps further in increase of the height and weight and make them taller and stronger. Play influences the cognitive development. Child learns about new objects by touching, feeling. They are curious to see how it works. This stimulates their cognitive development. Play influences social and emotional development of child. Child learns to share through toys, learn how to play in a group, wait for their turn. They also learn adult roles by imitation. For example, while play, make believe games are there. They are dressed like their parents, their gestures, they are copying it like their parents. For social development, they develop various characteristics of cooperation, negotiation, socialization, rule formation, conflict resolution. Emotional development, various types of emotions develop in them like joy, empathy, self regulation, self control. Types of play. Active play is there where they are involved in running, cycling, jumping, hopping, climbing. Passive play, they sit at the one corner of their home and they play with puzzles, they play with blocks. Natural play, when they play a role of their mother, they are copying their father's role at their home. Serious play is called make believe play. They are playing the important roles of important professions like doctor, policeman. Exploratory play, they are playing with puzzles. How do we select a play material for our child? Toys should not be very small. They should have a round edges so that it is not going to harm a child. Color fast and non-toxic toys, very often young children they put them in their mouth. ISI marked toys should be there. They should be bright colors, durable, they are not very expensive and age appropriate. With this we have finished our chapter. Take care till we meet for the next chapter.